Today we're going to discuss changing the batteries on your Braeburn touchscreen thermostat. Now this particular model is a Braeburn Deluxe Touchscreen Model 6400 with humidity control. However, all the touchscreen models change batteries the same way. Now as you can see, the low battery icon has illuminated in the screen, and that indicates that the batteries are becoming low. Now not all installations will contain batteries. Some installers like to hardwire thermostats, which means they use the 24 volts from the system transformer to power the thermostat. Some installers will hardwire the thermostat and use the batteries as a backup to the clock, and some installers will use the batteries only to power the thermostat. And that could be because you didn't have enough wires to hardwire the thermostat, or it just wasn't practical in your particular application. Now, if the installer used batteries in any way, then if those batteries become low, the low battery icon will appear in the screen. Now, right now the battery icon is solid. If it starts blinking, that means the batteries have been low for approximately 30 days, and it's becoming more critical to change them. Now, typically you should change the batteries as soon as you see the low battery icon. Even though you probably have a few months before the batteries become completely dead, it's always best to change them as quickly as possible. Now, while the batteries are low, the blue backlight will no longer function. This is to preserve some of the battery power and have the battery life last a little bit longer. As soon as you change the batteries, the blue backlight will begin to function again. One more thing to point out about the batteries is they'll typically last 2 to 3 years, but it might be best to change them every year, just as a precaution. Or if you're going to be gone for more than a month, you may just want to change them just to be on the safe side. Now, to change the batteries, it's very simple. You just gently pull the thermostat off of the wall subbase, and as you'll see, the two AA batteries are nested in the left side of the thermostat. You simply remove those two AA alkaline batteries and replace them with two new, fresh AA alkaline batteries, and making sure, of course, that the positive and negative ends of the batteries are in the proper position. Then you simply just place the thermostat back onto the wall subbase, and in a few moments the low battery icon will disappear from the screen. However, we didn't actually change the batteries in this video, so the icon did not disappear. If you need more information on changing the batteries, you can check your user manual. If you don't have a copy, you can always download one at www.braeburnonline.com.